Good evening and welcome to 200forex.com. I am here with the final analysis of 7th of August 2018. Okay guys, I was somehow busy with my personal task. That is why I was not able to upload the video in the previous days, and also the market was also not stable, and I have already provided the caution to my Signal subscribers that they must be aware of this thing, that the market is very tricky and they need to avoid trading. Okay, now let's get started with Euro USD. So guys, today I have supplied the bullish trend in case of Euro USD from 115801, and the target price was 116225, and you can see that we have a strong upward trend on a Euro USD that is seen today, and it has went so many pips up. If you put the trend line here, then you can see that my signal was from 115801. However, the market went up to 1.160771. So guys, those subscribers who have taken the buy positions today on Euro USD, they must have collected a massive profit, because we have so many pips to go up on this pair. Okay, now let's talk about New Zealand USD, the second signal of my signals report. As I have supplied the bullish signal from 067413, and this signal was triggered during the London session, and you can see that we have a strong upward trend for 3 hours on New Zealand USD, and the market has went up to 545.067.545. So those subscribers who have taken the buy positions today, they must have caught the profit by trading this pair. Okay, not traded Great Britain bond JPY USD, and now let's talk about the USDJPY here. Okay guys, I have supplied the clear bearish trend in case of USDJPY. The entry was 111280 and the target price was 111073, and guys, you can see that we have a big drop on this pair, and the market went down up to 111073. So those subscribers who have taken the sell positions from here on USDJPY, they must have caught the profit, and the market hit the target price within the 4 hours. Okay, now let's talk about AUDUSD, which stand at the top in the morning, and 074235 was the bullish entry from my side, and you can see that we have seen the upward trend in the early session of the day, and the market went up to 074390. So guys, if you just make sure that when we talk about the things in August, then August is quite tricky to trade. So here it's very important that you should not plan very long trades. Just close your trades as soon as possible once you have caught the decent profit at your end. Do not wait for the price to go up to the target price, because sometimes it happens that the market is not going to hit the target price and it can go into another direction before that time. So just plan smaller trades, and this is the right way to approach during the August. Okay, now let's talk about USDCHF. You know, I have provided the drop in the morning. 099496 was the bearish entry, and 099225. So you can see that we have a downward trend on this pair in the morning, and then during the midday it went up. It went down up to 099296. So that's very much fine. 496 and 296. If you calculate this, then you can find that you must have earned 200 pips on the single trade. So that's too much by taking a profit. So in August, you need to be very careful by trading with this approach, and from the next month the market will be quite stable, and things will be very easy to trade. But however, for this month I am just giving the caution that you should not plan very good long trades. Okay, now let's talk about USD Canadian dollar, and that was a bit tricky trade for us, because I have supplied the bearish trend from 129790, and first of all the market started to go down. It went down a few pips down, and then it went for a few hours ago, for 4 hours. After that we have a strong hit on this pair. I'm not sure that because I have closed the trade during the early session of the day, but if the traders have not closed the trade, then it might hit your 40 pip stop loss on the trade. At last, I'm going to talk about EURJPY. Okay guys, this signal hasn't expired at the moment, it's on the way. I have supplied the clear bullish signal in case of EURJPY from 128958, and you can see that in the last hour we have breaks the entry, and the market is expected to go further up during the next session. So guys, if you want to trade EURJPY, then I have a bullish expectation for the pair from 128958, and the target price is 129557. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. Moreover, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. You need to sell the pair when it comes into the top red boundary, that's the overbought levels, and when the things come into the low red boundary, like here, if you look at EURJPY, then you can see also we have received a buy signal from the scalper, and the market is into the lower red boundary. So there are maximum chances that the market can go up, and this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, so if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get the trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to email me on info@200forexclips.com. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.